Maraming salamat, Secretary Puno, sa iyong pagpakilala sa atin. King kakatang presidente na ning ABC, King Probinsya, i-board member Joel Simpauco. At karing-aring aliwa-aliwang opisyales ng ABC, ng Pampanga. Kakatang host Congressman Dong Gonzales. Congresswoman Ana York Bondok. Ampo Congressman Ning Butil, Congressman Guanlao. Dennis, ampo karing ali-aliwang mayors, ketiking kakatang probinsya, at siyempre, karing kakatang opisyales ning barangay, keti po King Pampanga. Dakala salamat kay imbitasyon nyo kanako. Matula ko miyabitangan. Mula gaya iting summit, uling paintulutan na lading barangay ng kakatamong probinsya ang makipag-ugnayan karing officials ng kakatamong gobyerno. Makanyan mo naman karing kayong mayors. Ang pong opisyales ng probinsya, bangkanita apasanting yu pa, ing pamagserbisyo yu, karing kakatang memalen. Baluye, karing milabas sa 12 bulan, meto niyang banwa para karing history books. Financial meltdown in the West, linadlad king kabilugang yato. Financial systems in the West, mesirala. Agyang karing conservative financial systems, ketiking East, were shaken to their foundations. Karing mararagul lagyo ki international finance. They fell into disrepute. They vanished overnight. Unbelievable and unprecedented amounts of money have been thrown at the problem. King kabilugang yato, tens of millions have lost their jobs. Billions across the globe have been hurt. At karing makalulo, always hurt harder than the rich. Oning, no one has been spared. Kaya tikikatambas sa, mas masalesi tamo, kumpara ka rin karaklanding aliwang bansa, oning apektado naman tamo. Ingke katang economic growth, maging mas mabagal. But, as long as I have the people of Pampanga behind me, I don't have to be popular to do my work to be president. Because I became president not to be popular, but to protect and to preserve our country and our people, lalo na ngeni, lalo na from the full brunt of the global recession. At ulilan ng suporta yu kanako, we were able to position ourselves to do that. Din kaya katamong reforma, makasakit la, oning yung may katamong 30 quarters, alang patada panyulong. At manipod king miluklukon timong presidente, our economy has more than doubled its size. Kanitang 2001, ang kakatang ekonomiya, $76 billion. Ang produksyon na, ngeni $186 billion. The poverty rate was brought down. In GNP, it rose. Kanita, inyang 2001, third world tamo, $967. Ang kakatang per capita income, ngeni $2,000 middle class na tamo. At may kasuporta tamo ng 7 million entrepreneurs. At ating entrepreneurs, kaya bikete, kay katang probinsang Pampanga. We reverse our balance of payments deficit. inyang linukluko ating tang deficit. Ngeni ating tang surplus, ating tang more or less about $40 billion as part of our surplus, our reserves.